What is happening on the 14th of July? Something about AI?
You could be rich forever. You have already heard about AI. AI is even more important than the Bitcoin you missed. We will teach you how to use AI. And when you miss that chance and you don't learn how to use AI, you're going to sit around in 5 years from now and go, hey man, I wish I could get in early on the next big thing. The big thing is here.
I'm getting in early on the next big thing. I'm going to be joining Andrew Tate's new AI course.
What kind of full-grown adult deliberately eats sushi?
Over the next 3 days, I'm going to document my experiences to see how much money I can make. Let's get into it. But the first thing I have to do is pay for the membership. It's an investment.
The Matrix, we're inside the system.
So the first thing you see when you join Andrew Tate's new AI content creation course is this introduction video here, which basically explains what you'll be learning in this new AI content creation course. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! What? This is crazy. No way. No way. After watching this video, you will enter the AI campus. This campus is split into 3 main sections. Let me talk you through them.
Section 1, Video Editing Basics, Cutting, Adding Music and Special Effects. Section 2, AI. This is where you'll learn how to use the correct tools and skill sets to make AI-generated content. Section 3, User-Generated Content, where you'll learn how to talk and speak in front of an audience, just like the top G himself.
Breathe air. You don't need a vape.
I then started to work through the modules. As you can see here, it was pretty easy because your boy's already a god at this.
Right, so here are some of my key takeaways from this course. AI is fantastic. It can create any image you want. It writes fantastic scripts and it comes up with great ideas. Some things that I were taught on this course was how to create these AI generated TikToks. Let me show you a brief overview on how to do this. Step number 1, scroll through TikTok to find a niche. Find something interesting and unique. I'm choosing conspiracy theories. Step 2, use ChatGPT to generate content ideas in the niche. Here are the ideas it came up with. Step 3, use Leonardo AI to generate AI images for your video. Step 4, create AI speech with 11 Labs. Step 5, edit this all together. And you'll create a video looking somewhat like this.
Today we're diving deep into the Kanye West conspiracy theory. Buckle up, things are about to get wild. We all remember this moment.
I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
But was there more to it? Is he trying to expose something bigger? Kanye's fashion empire, Yeezy, is no secret. But what if I told you there's a hidden agenda behind it?
I'm a creative genius.
Is there a deeper meaning behind his words? Some believe Kanye is using his influence to send cryptic messages to the world. Let's take a closer look.
We are all equal, but sometimes we be playing the politics too much and forgetting who we are.
Could there be a spiritual aspect to all of this? Now let's talk about the Book of Jesus. Some say it's a modern take on religion, while others think it's a manifesto. What's your take? From Jesus to Jesus is King, his album art is filled with hidden meanings. What do you think they represent? Remember, this is just scratching the surface. The Kanye West conspiracy theory is a rabbit hole of its own. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments.
With all of my newly acquired knowledge, I have decided to set up a TikTok page to test out and show some of my newly acquired skills that I have learned from Andrew Tate's AI course. So this is the plan. I'm going to be uploading TikToks over the next 3 days, using all of the skills and techniques I have learned from this course. I'm going to use it as a guide on how to create these viral AI TikToks.
Farted in an aeroplane and no one on the plane survived.
Let's get creating them.
Only 1% of you are subscribed to this handsome, sexy young man, AI Ethan. So do this dashing boy a favor and subscribe to get unlimited clout for the future.
It is done. Right, so here we are after 2 days of uploading uploading our TikToks. And if we just take a look at our TikTok page here, Wake Up Now, we can see that we have gained 672 followers. We've gained around 973 likes, and our videos seem to be doing pretty well, just overreaching 1K each. We got this flat earth video on 2,700 views, and this Kanye West conspiracy theory on 1,000 views. It's looking pretty good, but let's get into day 3. Right, so here we are on day 3. Let's have a look at the TikTok page. So on our page here, we have managed to get 1.2 thousand followers, 1.2k likes, and our last conspiracy theory that we uploaded got around 987 views, so just shy of 1,000. As we can see, our flat earth video was the most popular, reaching 3.8 thousand, and our Kanye West one got to 1,400. Now, unfortunately for us, we didn't reach the guidelines to get monetized.
Back where you fucking started, Wagey. Someone has to fucking flip the burgers, dumbass.
But let's see if I can calculate how much we would have made if we were monetized.